Hey everyone, this is System Test 12 of the Simplex 4008. Let's go ahead and look at all the devices. For the pull stations today, on the left we have the Notifier BNG1, and on the right we have the Federal Signal 4050-001T. For our notification appliances, on the left there is a Gentex GXS ceiling strobe that is mounted sideways. I know it looks kind of weird, but we're going to go with it. And on the right is a Pyrotronics 7001T. The smoke detectors are the same as always. We will not be testing these today. We'll go ahead and start this test by key activating the Notifier BNG1. 3, 2, 1. Now that we've silenced, we can go ahead and pull the Federal Signal pull station. And now we can reset the system. And that's going to wrap up the video today. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.